Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Broussard, the treasure hunter with the Home Squad and eXp Realty. And today I'm at 3530 Unit D on Bellins Circle in the 55 plus community of Heritage Hills, nestled in the beautiful rolling hills of Clermont, Florida. Have I got a treasure for you? Come on, let me show it to you. This highly sought after villa is located in the 55 plus community of Heritage Hills in Clermont, Florida, offering many amenities for an active lifestyle. This 2-bathroom, 2-bedroom villa with a flex room that could be used as an office or a den was built in 2018. It has ceramic tile flooring throughout, with the exception of vinyl plank flooring in the bedrooms. The open kitchen has 42-inch cabinets with crown molding, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet, and master bath has double sink vanity with quartz countertops. Split bedroom plan offers privacy, and the second bedroom has an ensuite bath with second door access. There's ceiling fans with lights in every room. The villa sits on a lot with no direct rear neighbors and views of the dry retention area for a nice and quiet lanai. Included in the HOA fee is lawn service, exterior painting every 5 years, and roof replacement every 15 years. And of course, the resort-style amenities with zero entry that host the very popular water aerobics classes. The Clubhouse features a newly renovated fitness room, exercise room, library, golf simulator, craft room, billiard room, and card room. There is also a ballroom where shows and events are held. Tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce, shuffleboard, half-court basketball court, dog park, and a putting green offer lots of outdoor activities. There are also walking paths throughout the community. This is resort living at its best. So there you have it. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in a 55 plus community, look no further. And if you'd like to set up a private showing, message me today. I look forward to hearing from you.